was the last time you saw the Giacchetti third port de bras? A while ago, we did first, second, third, and fourth port de bras together. And that was because Margaret Krask did give it that way now and again to work on musical transitions. I thought it might be a good idea now to break them up and show each port de bras separately. Mm-hmm.